Welcome to the Daily Quiz Podcast. Today's category is Science and Nature. Let's get to it. Question 1. In which part of a plant does photosynthesis take place? Is it A. Chloroplasts, B. Vacuoles, C. Centrioles, or D. Mitochondria? The answer is A. Chloroplasts.
Chloroplasts, the green powerhouses of plant cells, are where photosynthesis occurs. These tiny organelles contain chlorophyll, the pigment that captures sunlight and gives plants their vibrant green color. Interestingly, chloroplasts have their own DNA and are thought to have originated from ancient symbiotic bacteria that merged with early plant ancestors.
Question 2. What type of rock is the hardest? Is it A. Obsidian, B. Quartz, C. Diamond, or D. Granite? The answer is C. Diamond.
Diamonds, the hardest natural substance on Earth, are formed deep within the Earth's mantle under extreme pressure and heat. These sparkling gems can cut through any other material and even scratch other diamonds. Interestingly, they're made entirely of carbon atoms arranged in a crystal lattice structure, showcasing nature's incredible artistry.
Question 3. What did Alfred Nobel invent before initiating his Nobel Peace Prize award scheme? Is it A. Dynamite, B. The printing press, C. The combustion engine, or D. Plastic? The answer is A. Dynamite.
Alfred Nobel, the man behind the prestigious Nobel Peace Prize, was also the inventor of dynamite. This explosive invention revolutionized construction and demolition but ironically led to his legacy in peace promotion. Concerned about how he would be remembered, Nobel established the prize to honor those who foster harmony worldwide.
Question 4. Which of these does the prostate contribute to the production of? Is it A. Aphrodisiacs, B. Digestive proteins, C. Blood cells, or D. Semen? The answer is D. Semen.
The prostate gland, often likened to a walnut in size, plays a crucial role in reproduction by producing a fluid that nourishes and protects sperm. This fluid makes up about 30% of semen and contains enzymes, zinc, and citric acid, ingredients essential for sperm longevity and motility during their journey.
Question 5. Who proposed the theory of relativity? Is it A. Stephen Hawking, B. Enrico Fermi, C. Paul Dirac, or D. Albert Einstein? The answer is D. Albert Einstein.
Albert Einstein, the genius behind the theory of relativity, was so absent-minded that he once forgot his own address. Despite this, his groundbreaking theory revolutionized our understanding of space and time, famously leading to the equation E=mc². His wild hair and quirky personality made him an enduring icon of scientific brilliance.
Question 6. What is solid carbon dioxide commonly known as? Is it A. Dry ice, B. Chloroform, C. Epsom salt, or D. Baking soda? The answer is A. Dry ice.
Dry ice, the solid form of carbon dioxide, sublimates directly from a solid to a gas at -78.5 degrees Celsius -109.3 degrees Fahrenheit, creating an eerie fog effect often used in theater productions and Halloween displays. Unlike regular ice, it leaves no liquid residue as it melts, making it perfect for dramatic visual effects.
Question 7. What is the word for male mouse? Is it A, a jack, B, a macho, C, a buck, or D, a billy? The answer is C, a buck.
In the world of rodents, a male mouse is called a buck, borrowing terminology from deer. Interestingly, these tiny bucks are known for their impressive agility and can jump nearly 18 inches high. Despite their small size, they play a crucial role in ecosystems as both prey and seed dispersers.
Question 8. Who discovered the structure of the atom? Is it A, J. Thomson, B, Ernest Rutherford, C, Albert Einstein, or D, Niels Bohr? The answer is B, Ernest Rutherford.
Ernest Rutherford, known as the father of nuclear physics, discovered the atom's structure in 1911. His gold foil experiment revealed that atoms consist mostly of empty space with a dense nucleus at the center. Interestingly, Rutherford once humorously remarked that his discovery was akin to firing a cannonball at tissue paper and having it bounce back.
Thanks for orbiting our science and nature quiz. We hope you had a blast, and remember, knowledge is the real power plant. Until next time, stay curious. I'm Montgomery Jones.
And I'm Amalia Dupre. Until tomorrow, farewell. This episode is produced by Classic Studios. See the show notes page for sources and credits. Check out our other podcasts in our network at classicstudios.com.